So last class we done with IDLE process, IDLE, how to work with IDLE and all. And today we will discuss about Sublime Text Editor. So how to work with the Sublime Text Editor. So just install Sublime Text Editor from internet, and this is free. This is free editor. Most of the editors are free editors. That is not a problem. So this is also a free editor, and you can download for Windows and Mac or Linux. This one also available for multiple operating systems. You can download for anything. But I already downloaded for the Mac machine, but I will show the thing. So how to work with the Sublime Text and how to download Sublime Text. Sublime Text download. Search for Sublime Text download and go to the sublimetext.com. This is the official website for you, where you can able to search for the Sublime Text. And 3 is the latest version. You can go for the 3. And if you are using a Windows machine, you can go for the Windows machine 64-bit portable version. Or if you are using a Mac machine, you can go for the Mac machine. Or you can directly go with the download option. On top, you can have a download option. You can just click on this download and automatically it will download for you. For example, if I am working with the Mac, I can go for the Mac. Okay, so now it is giving for Mac related file on top of desktop. I already have it. That is the why reason I'm not downloading again it. Now, so let me open Sublime Text. This is my Sublime Text here, and I'm trying to Control X, take a new file, Control X on top of the desktop. And for Python, I want to save the file. So this one is file 1.py. Now this time the file name is file 1.py. Anything is .py format only. Even in Sublime Text also, file format should be .py format only. Okay, so let me give the variables. So this is the Python file. Okay, first number is equal to 12. And second number, let me give the second number is equal to 14 or 24. And finally, addition is equal to first number plus second number. I want to give the first number plus second number. I want to give the print finally addition. Okay, so let me give the string first of all. Addition value is comma and addition. Addition value is what is addition value? I want to print in the print screen. And if you want to get the first number and second number also, print first number is comma first number, print second number is kind of second number. Okay, addition is this. Okay, I want to go for the addition. This is the addition value. So I am printing the addition value finally. And if you want, you can go for the subtraction, multiplication. If you want, you can go for the subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus division, and power also. First number is this, second number is this. Okay, fine. Now, this is addition. Some second one is subtraction or subtraction. And this is multiplication. And this one is division. This one is modulus value, modulo division, modulus. And this one is power. Okay, so for this subtraction, I can go for the minus symbol. For this multiplication, star symbol. And second division. For division, this one is the symbol. And modulus, percentile symbol. And power, we can go for the double star. See, later we will discuss about all arithmetic. Don't worry about questions. I'm trying to working with addition here. And this is the addition value. And second thing is subtraction, multiplication. And one more is division, modulus, and power. This is addition. This is a subtraction. Subtraction value is subtraction. Multiplication value is multiplication. Division value is division. Division value is division. And modulus value is something like a reminder. So we can try to work with the reminder, and power value is power. Save the program and go to tools and go to the build, or you can go for the control B or command B, whatever you want. I can go for that. And whenever I build the program, so the output will be in the bottom of the screen. You can see the output. The first number is 12, second number is 2, addition is 14, subtraction is 10, multiplication is 24, and division is 6.2. Modulus division, a remainder value is basically 0, and power 12 to the power of 2. What is the 12 to the power of 2? Is something like 144. We know that. So every operation, every arithmetic operation is performing well. Okay, so we'll continue with the some other editor in the coming classes.